turn around because your prize has just arrived. Well done.
How you guys going? How you doing? Appreciate it. How you guys doing? You good? What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up? How you guys going? Where are you guys all come up from? Oasis. That's south. Awesome. Awesome. Who's the fastest?
Me and Michael.
Cheers. That's wicked. Cheers, man.
OK, confident Jordan is up against Lewis. 3, 2, 1, go. He's got you there, Lewis. Go on. Oh. Very good, well done. I mean, turning that speed up.
Thank God I won that one. That was difficult. It is possible to come from nowhere and get somewhere. If you truly believe in it and you work hard, you have to believe in yourself. But there's nothing that can really get in your way except for yourself, I reckon. And of course, there are barriers, but that's what we're trying to change, right?